Hey guys, in this video, I want to show small group leaders how to make their very own community page. And so this is kind of like your own website. It's totally free. It's completely easy to manage. It's like creating your own website just for your small group. Now, first, let me just show you the value of this. So I'm looking at the small group listing page at our website, at our church website. And you notice in my men's group, what I say there is when we meet, what time, and where. But then I just say simply visit our community page to see the newest topics we're talking about and to get up-to-date information. So if I click on that community page, you notice what it does is it takes me to this Google Plus community. And I'll tell you about that a little bit more in a second here, but it's a Google Plus community that allows me now to go in there and basically post my newest information every single week on this community page. So this way I can keep everyone in the loop since it's a public community and it's an open invite small group. This is perfect for this. Now you notice there's only one post in this particular one, but notice what this post says. It says, here's the topic for Friday, September 4th. Come ready to talk and add your comments below. So then all I do is I take the topic that we're going to cover for the week. I'm going to take it from the Pursue God website. I'm going to just share it right to this Google Plus community. You can do that right on your phone with the Google Plus app. You can do it on a computer or whatever. It's super simple. It's a really pretty not so steep learning curve. Actually, it's super easy to learn how to use this community. And once you learn how to use it, it's just a great way to keep everyone up to date. Now, the other thing that it allows people to do is add comments. As people join the community, people can add comments on your discussion. People can add their own posts. And what I would recommend is if you're the small group leader, make sure that what I like to call the informational post of the week, which is this one right here, telling what the topic is and making sure everyone knows that you are meeting on that date. So this is called your weekly informational post. I like to click here and I like to pin this. You can pin the post. And pinning the post means it puts this one post at the top of your community board. Okay, and so even if other small group leaders or small group members come in here and post some of their own comments and some of their own favorite conversations or whatever, and they start sharing things with each other via this community, you as the owner of this page, you can still pin the informational post to the very top. And the reason that's important is because every week you just want to make sure there's a simple place for your small group members to know what your topic is that week, to give some feedback on it, and also then for newcomers to your small group, more than anything, you want to make sure that if they're going to access this page through your church's website, that those newcomers can get that updated information and they don't have to sort of dig through that. So a couple other things you can do with this community page is you can create events there. You can add your own videos or your own links or photos. And another great one is a poll. So you can put a poll out there to your whole small group and say, hey, what do you want to talk about next? What series do you want to do next? And you can recommend some ideas and then let everyone vote on it. Just a real simple tool to use for your small groups. One other thing I'll mention is you can create categories here so that anytime you upload a post, if you want to, you can put it in a particular category. And I would recommend using this if you foresee using this community for a year or two with your small group. It might be good to start organizing your posts from the very beginning. And so anytime you pick a post from one of these main topic categories, news and culture, life issues, marriage and parenting, money budgeting, etc., then you can mirror all of these categories and you can make those the categories on your small group page, on your community page if you want to, so that anytime you upload something, and it's going to be a topic that you're uploading, you can organize it. So at the end of the year, at the end of a couple of years, you can go in there and you can see all the topics you've talked about over those last couple of years as a small group. It's just a great, simple way for your small group, even for your family, just to organize their mentoring and small group conversations. So anyway, there's some more stuff underneath this video, links on how to create this community. Again, it's super simple. It just requires that you have a Google Plus account, which comes free with a Gmail account. And again, not a real steep learning curve. It's really worth doing this and setting up your community. Once you do that, then just send that information to your webmaster for your church, and then they can put that, again, they can put that on your church's page, so that if you do have a small group listing on your church's page, it's really simple, and you can just keep your own little community page up to date, and anyone that comes to your small group from your church's website can see what's going on week after week. So go ahead and check that out. And if you're serious about leading your small group well, set up a community page for yourself.